Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to delete a workflow in n8n. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First, navigate to the official n8n website. Once you're on the n8n homepage, you'll need to sign into your account. Now that you're signed in, you'll see a variety of options and tabs. To proceed with deleting a workflow, click on the Personal section. Here, you'll find a list of your workflows. Carefully review the list and identify the specific workflow you wish to delete. Once you've pinpointed it, click on the three dots next to the workflow name. This will reveal a drop-down menu with several options. The first step in the deletion process is to archive the workflow. From the drop-down, select the Archive option. Archiving a workflow prepares it for deletion, moving it to a different section and hiding it from your active list. After archiving, it's crucial to ensure that your list is set to display archived workflows. This step is essential because the workflow needs to be visible for the final deletion process. Look for the filter icon, usually at the top right corner of your workflow list section, and turn it on. When the filter is activated, set it to show both active and archived workflows. With the filter on, revisit your list to locate the archived workflow you intend to delete. Once you see the workflow, click on it again. This time, instead of archiving it, select the Delete option. A confirmation prompt will appear, asking if you're sure you want to permanently delete the workflow. Be mindful that deleting a workflow is irreversible, so make sure this is the action you want to take. Once you're certain, confirm the deletion by clicking Yes or Confirm, depending on what the prompt displays. And that's it. So that is how you can delete a workflow in n8n. So that's all for this video. Thanks.